Hello adaptive friends, welcome back. Our second science experiment is a cloud in a jar. You'll need a few supplies. You'll need hairspray, 1/3 cup hot water, some ice cubes, and a jar. I used an old spaghetti jar. So first, you're going to take your hot water, which I heated up for about 45 seconds. You're going to pour that into the jar, and you're going to kind of swirl it around so the hot water gets all the sides of the jar warm. That'll be an important step for later. You're going to take the lid, you're going to put it upside down like that, and you're going to put some ice cubes on top, and you're going to wait about 20 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and put the ice cubes on. So you're going to wait about 20 seconds. Okay, so the next step, which is going to be our final step, is you're going to take the hairspray. You're going to quickly remove the top of the lid with the ice cubes on it, spray some hairspray, and then put the lid back on. So here we go. So what happens is the hot water vaporizes up, connects with the cold air, which is helping with the ice cubes. And then when you add the hairspray, that's like the pollen and the dust and the air, and the vapors from the hot water are going to attach to those pollens and form clouds. So it might be hard to see in the video, but you can see the clouds forming and you can see them moving and you can watch it, which is really cool. So this final step, and it's just for fun, is you're going to actually remove the lid with the ice cubes on it and you can see the cloud escaping. I'm going to let it sit for a few more seconds. Okay, I'm going to bring it close so you can see. And you can see the cloud escaping. So that's the cloud that you formed in the jar from the hot water in the cold air with the ice cubes and the hairspray. Thank you for joining us this week. We hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.